So let's unpack this Latitude 5440 Dell laptop. So I have got this model. It comes in such a packing. It's a recycled packing. So you can see the laptop, some user manual, the adapter, and the power cord. So let's keep this aside. So welcome to Dell. Let's do great things together. This is a cloth bag. I think a recyclable cloth bag. So it comes in such a. I got the gray color. See, Dell Latitude 5440 model is P165G301. You can see Windows official. You can see one speaker down here. This model is a totally a business model, business laptop. With so this is a Dell 544 Latitude 5440, that's 5000 series. So it looks like this. So coming to the ports, you will see a universal audio jack, USB 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI 2.0, and a wedge-shaped lock slot. Coming to the other side, you see a RJ45 Ethernet slot. Again, USB 3.2 Gen 1 USB slot. Then there are two USB Type C Thunderbolt slot, which is a power delivery, and also you can use a display port. And this is the nano SIM card slot. Okay. So coming to the dimensions and weight. So this laptop is around 0.75 inches in height, depth, which is the length is 8.35 inches, and the length is about 12.65 inches. So coming to the specifications of this laptop, it has 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1345V Pro processor with 12 MB of cache and 10 cores, 12 threads, and with 4.7 GHz turbo. It comes in and it comes with a Windows 11 Pro operating system English. It has a Intel 13th generation Core i5 V Pro integrated graphic cards TB-T4 and display of 14-inch full HD display 1920 into 1080. It's non-touch IPS with 250 nits. So coming 250 nits, full HD. I think you have palm rest, fingerprint reader without any resting, memory of 16 GB, DDR4 or 5, storage of 512 GB storage of SSD class 35. It has a primary 3 cell battery of 54 watt hour. It has an option of express charge, boost capable. Keyboard is an English International backlit keyboard, 79 keys. Wireless is Intel Wi-Fi 6E, 6th generation A, and Bluetooth wireless card. So it has an OS media kit for recovery options. Power cord is 65 watts with USB Type C. So let's power on this. It comes like this. It's logging in. So this is a totally business laptop. I'm coming to camera. Camera is a full HD infrared camera with express ion and noise reduction on either side with shutter option. So you can shutter close this up and down. So coming to features, it has maximum performance and scalability with additional 13th generation AI core processor, fast response time. It has larger fans to keep the device cool and wide, Next generation battery services with the express charge, which will give it will charge faster and boost in power. So coming to the security part, it has the safest secure commercial PCs, like offering Dell Dell Safe ID, Dell Safe BIOS fingerprint reader, and intelligent privacy features. Onlooker detection, which notifies when someone is peering on your screen, and look away detect when it will save battery life if we are walking away. Like express sign in, as I said. And coming to the noise reduction on oversight and other features. So I'll be sharing you all the specifications and the link, the description in the description box, the various details and the website. And this series is fully customizable, and you can easily customize it. Thank you.